Only few students are raising hand. What about the remaining students?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
uh, should everybody submit or one from the group is enough, ma'am?
everybody should submit because in exam also each students have to submit their report, no? So that's why,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, one group will submit the same assignment. Both the students, same synopsis. Both the students will submit the same synopsis, but both has to submit.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, students, those who have not submitted your synopsis, please tell me the reason why you have not submitted. Have you not got the enough time to prepare the synopsis, or what is the
Excuse
problem
me,
you have? Ah, yes, tell me.
I'm not able to access the classroom.
Today you are telling that. No,
Ma'am,
today you are telling that.
ma'am, I have unrolled by mistake.
No,
Ma'am,
no.
can you send me the?
Did, did no? Today you are asking me that when you from which date you are not able to access Google Classroom?
Yesterday only something went wrong with my personal ID. You have sent me on the personal ID. That's why. Can you
No,
send me in
no.
the?
We can't ID because that's why the college has given the BMSIT domain ID, and even HOD sir has clearly has told that you have to use BMSIT domain or website only.
Yeah, ma'am. But you didn't send me on the college ID. I was accessing
No, see,
through my
they are
personal
in
ID.
the. Okay, I'll check once. Did you write the
Ma'am,
test? Did you write the test?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
Then how you wrote the test?
ma'am. You send me that test link in my college ID and the
Hmm.
classroom link in personal ID.
Okay, I'll check once.
Yeah.
So what about the remaining students? Why? What is the reason why you have not submitted the synopsis? There is no. 31 students have not submitted. Not one or two students. 31 students. How much time I gave you all? Actually, deadline was on 30th June. Even I understand you had internals. So that's why 2 days relaxation I gave. Still what you want? Yes, students. Tell me what is your problem? You people are not submitting the program output also. You are not submitting the assignment in time and you are not submitting the synopsis in time. What is this? Okay, one or two means okay, I can give a relaxation. And even the deadline also I have extended. Still, what you expect from me? Whatever you do, I should not tell anything. I should keep quiet whatever whenever you submit. That day also I told if you have anybody have any doubt regarding anything in the synopsis format, whatever the things titles I have given, whatever the headings and subheadings I have given, whatever the doubts you have, you ask me. I told nobody opened the mouth. And see how many students have submitted. You know, no, how, whether you have submitted or not. No need to show also. But still, you see. See, now somebody has submitted. Till now it was 31, now it is 30. Why? You want me to shout and then you will submit? Yes, students? 30 students have not submitted. Manoj, Abhilash, Dakshani. Why Dakshani? Akrat, Arvind,
Ma'am, I'll submit, ma'am,
Diksha,
now.
Harshit, Hemalata, Lavanya, Navya, Nikhil, Pooja. See, I have shared the screen. You can see those are not submitted. Santosh, are you there? Sharan, Shashank, Shashank is there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Beneka.
Ma'am, only literature survey is pending, ma'am, for us. We had sent out for data
You
collection,
write
ma'am.
literature survey, you
Within
tell me
one
how
hour,
many days you will.
ma'am,
Huh?
within an hour, I'll be submitting, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
What about others?
Ma'am, my laptop is in some issue actually, but I'll submit through mobile now,
From
ma'am.
how many
Actually, I
days,
was
ma'am?
using
You tell
my
me, ma'am.
laptop to get
From how
updated.
many days? I have not given
In
1 or 2 days time. I have not given
yes,
1 week time also. I have given more than 15 days time. When we had interaction with HOD and Nagbhushan sir.
yes, ma'am.
Immediately
Very
after
sorry for that.
2 days, I have given the format. You only tell
I'll
me, still you want what type of relaxation you want from me. See, for assignment also, I every time I'm asking the deadline from you people only. I'm not giving my deadline. Even for program outputs also. Okay, if I am giving the deadline in today, I'm executing the program, and tomorrow I'm asking you to submit your output. Okay, fine. Then I'm not giving time. The students are not submitting. I understand that. I know now everybody is working doing work from home. Every in one family, all those who are working and those who are studying will not be having laptop. Everybody will share the laptop. I understand that. Whenever I asked you the output, you told many of you told my somebody else is using it at home. But I told this week everybody you take at 10 minutes permission from your parents or from your sisters, brothers. You please show me the output. Don't take the laptop for half an hour. Whenever I call your name, I'll go according to the roll number only. You'll come to know now when your roll number will come. Just 10 minutes, you show me the output. See, students, I just execute the program. Sometimes many students ask me that, ma'am, if I if I use this, what will happen? Even I did not try that. When you try and when you get some error, when we try to solve that, then everybody will get that knowledge. That's why I'm telling you, whatever the errors you are getting, you please share your screen and we'll see that. We'll try to debug the errors. Only 1 or 2 students is doing that. How many of you shared your screen and shown the output? Tell me. Hand count. And today is 5th July. Actually, 30th June was last day to submit your assignment. This synopsis. Those who are submitting now, I know that your partner has already submitted and now you are submitting. But what about the remaining students? What about the 27 students? Akrit, who is your partner? Akrit.
Ma'am, Santosh, ma'am.
Huh? Yarappa? See, students, this is online class, online lab. It is difficult to track students. If you come to offline class, then we see face to face and immediately in the lab or in the class, I can ask student to submit. Now I'll tell you and I'll meet you only in my next class. And in that time also, if you don't tell, even I don't want to waste my class every day like this. Yes, Akrit, who is your partner? Rahmatullah? Panindra, why?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಶೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
Submit. Okay, then if you have that doubt, then in the next lab we'll do that. If anybody have doubt, then in the next lab, we can do that.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay. Rahmatullah, are you there, Rahmatullah? Anusha?
Ma'am, it
Anusha?
is all ready, ma'am. I have to just submit. I'll submit it, ma'am.
Okay. Purnima?
Ma'am, I will
Purnima?
submit now.
Who's your partner, Purnima?
Shashank, ma'am.
Is he there in the meeting?
No, ma'am.
Why?
He had some health issues, ma'am, due to vaccinating.
Diksha?
Ma'am, Diksha is not well, but I have submitted it, ma'am. She'll submit it by today. I'm a partner, Chaitra.
Okay. Harshit? Harshit? Harshit?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಯಾವಾಗಪ್ಪ?
ವಿತಿನ್
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಇವತ್ತು ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Lavanya? Who is your partner, Lavanya?
Ma'am, I have submitted, ma'am.
Chandana
So Lavanya has to submit.
Ma'am, both we should put, ma'am.
Yeah, both have to submit.
Yes, ma'am. I'll do it now, ma'am.
Nikhil?
Yes, ma'am. We'll upload it today. We'll upload it today, ma'am.
We'll upload today. Why today? Why you did not do before?
We should do some changes, and we'll do it on upload.
Student today, those who are not submitted today by 4:30, everybody should submit.
Ma'am, I have submitted, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. I too submitted now.
Students, if anybody wants to change the technology, if you have submitted your synopsis already, then you modify, you edit in the synopsis and resubmit the synopsis. Can do that. But only this week you can change, not in the next week. Next week also, if you want to change, then I will not allow. Yes, students, we were seeing jQuery. One second. Yes, students, we are in a fourth module. The third module I have skipped. After completion of a fourth module, I'll come back. I'll go back to third module. In the fourth module, that is introduction to jQuery. Yes, students, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So the
Yes,
introduction to jQuery, syntax, selectors, events, jQuery, HTML, jQuery. FX jQuery with CSS. Yes, student, we have seen in the last class, we have seen examples of or how we can append jQuery and CSS, and we have also seen how we can append jQuery with the HTML and the selector, usage of selector and the different effects. What are the effects we have seen, students? The animation effect, the fade in, fade out, toggle, all those effects we have seen. Yes, students, again I'm repeating, using jQuery, you can develop a very attractive animated programs or website. And last we have seen the CSS and how to append jQuery with CSS, or how to use a CSS concept with the jQuery. Now we'll see one or two examples that is on filters using jQuery. How to use filters in the jQuery. Yes. Can you see the students? Can you see the program? Can you see the program, students? Can you see the notepad?
No, ma'am.
Where's Selva? I've shared the screen. Okay, I'll stop sharing and once again I'll share. Now, students,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Yes, students, can you see the program?
Yes, ma'am.
Notepad. Can you able to see the notepad? So here, in this program, we are using a concept called filter. Filter means what, students? Filter means what? What is the general meaning of filter? Segregating, separating, correct? Yes. Separating. If you have in a bowl, if you have a rice and if you have one or two stones in that, right, then you will filter the stones. You will separate the rice and stone. Or if you have one box in a or container, you have you have a red color ball, green color ball, yellow color ball. When you separate, when you filter, then you suppose if you want to separate a different color, I'll take another 2-3 boxes, and in those boxes, what I do, I'll collect a same color balls and I'll put it. That is also nothing but filtering only, no? So what I am doing, I am separating, I am segregating a similar kind of items. Correct? I am segregating the similar kind of items. So here also in jQuery also you can use filters. So how to use filters now? Yes, students, can you remember this line? What is this line? What is this line, students? Here we are using a CSS concept, cascading style sheet concept. How? This is the document levels CSS. Here I want to change the background color. Generally the background color will be white. We know that, correct, no students? Generally the background color is white, and if you want to modify or if you want to change the background color, we can use a background color property and you can specify the colors. Yes, we have done this in second program only. We have done this. So here in jQuery program we are using CSS. Yes, we are using, and coming to the body of the program. In the body of the program, what you can see, students? The heading and the paragraphs. Heading and the paragraph. Yes, students, see here. Here we have 4 paragraphs. Yes. How many paragraphs we have? 4 paragraphs. If you want, I'll include one more paragraph. I'll include one more paragraph. This is my last paragraph. This is my last paragraph. So how many paragraphs now? 5 paragraphs. Is it right, students? No, 5 paragraphs. And if you observe the paragraphs carefully, what is the difference between this para and this para, students? The first para, my name is Donald, and the second para is I live in Duckburg. Yes, in the difference. So, what is the difference?
Ma'am, one paragraph with the class, another paragraph with without the class.
Exactly, one paragraph with class and another paragraph is without class. So for this first paragraph, it will just display the content, that is my name is Donald. But what is this intro? This is a class. This is a class. So how it is different from the first paragraph? Because for this class, I have defined some CSS concept. What is that concept? The background color I have given to yellow. The normal paragraph color, background color I have not given, but for the paragraphs which I have used the class for them, I have given the background color what? What I have given?
Yellow.
I have given yellow. So here I am using this filter. So here in this what should happen? It should filter the paragraphs which are having the background color yellow. The paragraphs which are having the background color yellow. Now I will run this program, students. You can observe the output. So how we are filtering here? How we are segregating? By giving the background color yellow. By giving the background color yellow. So this is how you can use the filtering in a jQuery. This is how you can use a filtering in a jQuery. And one more thing, students. Here, is it the same program, students? Is it same program? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is same program, no? I'll run this program. But why the output is different? See here the output is this, and here the output is, when you said both the programs are same, then why the output is different?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ಗೂ ಆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಅದನ್ನ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, yes, correct, correct. See students, here both the programs are same, but here you observe this not. Not means what? No, no, no. So here the meaning of this line is, wherever we have used this class, wherever we have used the class, intro class, for those paragraph, don't apply this background color yellow. Don't apply the background color yellow, but for the remaining paragraphs, you apply the background color yellow. Getting students? So in the previous program, what I was doing that the paragraphs for which I have given the class, I have taken the class or I have used the class, for those paragraphs, I was applying the background color yellow. I was applying the background color yellow. But now what I am doing in this program, wherever you have used the class for those paragraph, no usage of the background color, not to use the background color. Getting students? Not to use the background color. That is the reason why. See here, observe the code students. I live in Duckburg. I love Duckburg. Here, for these two paragraphs, intro class is used. So according to the program, according to the code or logic, for these two paragraphs, that background color we should not apply, because here we have used not. Here we have used not. Is getting students? So now I'll run the program once again. You can see the previous program output. In the previous program output, I live in Duckburg and I love Duckburg. So for these two lines, paragraphs, the background color is yellow. Now, what is happening here? Other than those two, the background color is yellow. So now what I do, I'll do some modification in the program, students. So I will include one more paragraph with the class. I live in Duckburg. I have to live in Duckburg, and my best friend is Mickey. My best friend is Minnie also. Now what should happen? For these three paragraphs, the background color should not be yellow. One more line I have included, no? My best friend is Minnie also. If the previous line was my best friend is Mickey. Now I have included one more paragraph. My best friend is Minnie also. So for this also, the background color should change. Yes, students, what is happening? Yes, students, one more thing, whatever the program I explain in the class or I share in the GCR, you please don't execute the same code. You try to do some modification, try to add some more properties. Yes. Getting students?
Yes, ma'am.
So now only the background color is there, no? ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ
We can correct.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮಾಡಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. Yes, students, what I am doing, I am trying to include the border style also. Yes. What happened? Yes, students, you observe what changes I am doing. Yeah. Actually, ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಸರಿ, ಏನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Yes, students, you observe what I am doing, what changes I am making. Yes, students, before I have not tried whether it will work or not. True. Background color. Important. Background color. It is not working. Background color yellow. Style. Dotted. Your students border style I have included, but it is not applying. Background color yellow, border style dotted.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದು ಇದು ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು CSS ಗೆ.
Okay. Within the bracket.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ CSS ಹೆಂಗ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes. Thank you. What happened? Background color yellow, border style dotted. I have given flower bracket here. It is opening here, it is closing.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಡಬಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ತಗ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೋಲನ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಕಮ ಬದಲು ಕೋಲನ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ,
ಮುಂದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದೇ ಅದು ಡಬಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಡಬಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೋಲನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ವಿಷಯ.
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನು? ಓಕೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Because we are applying this for the multiple properties, correct? Yes, if it is a single property, ಅದೇನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, CSS ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ, ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್
ಅದು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ತಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದು ಐಫೋನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇದಾ?
C ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಕಲರ್ಗೆ.
ಸ್ಪೇಸಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, S ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Now is it okay?
ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ಡ್
ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Yes. Thank you. Yes, students. See here. See, when we were using a single property, we have used like that. When you are using a multiple properties, then we have to give like this. See, what are the properties I have defined here for the background color or for this intro class paragraph. Background color yellow and the border style dotted. The border style dotted. See the output, students. Only for those paragraphs, the background color and the border style. The border style is dotted. Yes, students, like this you have to implement different properties for the programs.
Ma'am, can
Understood?
we apply CSS for other 3 paragraphs?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
See here, what I have done here, I have used the filter because I want to segregate. Remove the filter, remove filter, and don't use this intro students. Don't use the intro class. So what happens wherever you have used the p tag for all the p tags, this CSS will be applied. Last class we have seen, no?
No, ma'am, for specific paragraph.
Yes, yes.
Like using
Yes.
script tag other than that paragraph not having class.
Yes, yes, you can use, you take here class and apply the, take the same class here and apply the CSS. I will try that. Intro. Intro. Yes, change aita. Yes, students. ಯಾರು ಡೌಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Ma'am, Manish, ma'am.
Okay, Manish, now you got?
Yeah, ma'am.
Only for that specific paragraph. E paragraph
Okay.
matra. That is my best friend is Mickey. So only for that paragraph, the background color is red and the border style is dotted. See, one more paragraph I have, that is, this is my last para. So if for this paragraph also, if you want to give some border or if you want to change the background color, you can use the class and apply the CSS for that class. Take one more class, that is intro 2, and define here the properties. So it will be applied. Yes, students, here one more specifically for this paragraph only. I have taken the other properties and it is applied. Only the background color I have changed. For other paragraphs, for other class paragraph, that is intro class paragraphs, the background color is yellow. For this new paragraph, intro 1, the background color is red. That is my best friend is Mickey. You can change. Okay, students, time up. I'll stop here. If I take attendance, then it will be late for the next class. Dakshani, can you please tell me, message me how many are absent today? Yes, students, all of you send your USN in the chat window.
Ma'am, can you just repeat? I didn't hear you.
Yes, all the students will send their USN in the chat window. You please tell me those are how many students are present and absent today. Because if I take attendance, it will take another 5 minutes. Ma'am is waiting.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it okay? Okay, students, see you in the next class. Thank you.